Hello everyone! In this video, we'll learn how to talk about different kinds of shops. We'll learn how to pronounce the words, and at the end of the video, we'll use these words in sentences. You listen and repeat. Alright? Go! Let's shop. Listen and repeat. Supermarket. Supermarket. Market. Market. Bookshop. Bookshop. DVD shop. DVD shop. Pet shop. Pet shop. Toy shop. Toy shop. Flower shop. Flower shop. Let's make sentences. I go to the supermarket to buy food every week. She loves shopping at the local market because the fruit and vegetables are more fresh there. There is an old bookshop where you can find beautiful old books. People visit DVD shops to buy or rent films on DVDs. He buys food for his pet dog in that pet shop over there. I buy presents for my cousins in a big toy shop on the square. Tomorrow's Mom's birthday. Let's go to the flower shop and get her some beautiful flowers. You did it. Now, can you try and make your sentences? Try it. Till next time, goodbye.